Hi, I'm Josh and I'm going to show you how to make Indian takeaway and restaurant quality korma. To make a korma using base gravy, you need 2 teaspoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons or 60 millilitres of coconut powder, 250 millilitres of curry base gravy, 6 to 8 pieces of meat, 100 millilitres of single cream and 2 tablespoons or 30 millilitres of ground almonds. If you haven't already made my base gravy, you can use my korma from scratch recipe or check out the base gravy recipe. I'll include both in the link below. To begin, heat a pan and add the sugar, coconut powder and keep stirring until the powder just starts to brown. Add about a third of the base gravy sauce and stir for 30 seconds, pressing out any lumps that appear. Add the meat and cook for about 30 seconds, but if you're adding raw meat, cook until it starts to brown. Add the cream and then stir for another 30 seconds. Add the ground almonds and let's simmer gently. Stir every couple of minutes by scraping in the sides. Serve when your sauce is the way you like it, and when your meat is cooked, if you use raw meat. Please remember to like and subscribe, and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.